Okay, so here we go. This is Model S with the white seats, and everybody keeps asking me if I'm bonkers for having them because I've got a 5-year-old, and how easy are they to keep clean. So I thought I'd make a quick video to show you just exactly how easy to keep clean they are. So hopefully everybody can see that those seats are not clean. There is quite a bit of ingrained dirt on there because I did wipe them over with baby wipes and I realised I was smearing it around rather than cleaning them. So what I've got is a bucket of warm, so slightly soapy water and a nice clean towel, and I shall be utilising the bucket of warm soapy water to wipe down these lovely white seats, and then I shall be drying them off with the white towel. So here we go, give it a nice wipe over. Should be able to see that the marks are coming out of it. There is no dirt on there. Okay, and give it a nice wipe all the way up here. Actually, this bolster tends to get dirtiest because people get in and out of the car and slide their bottom across the seat, and that's usually what gets dirtiest, so I'll give that a good clean. Hoping you can see that that's come really nice and clean. There's no marks on there whatsoever. So next I'll just take my towel and give it a quick dry off. And that's it, job done. So absolutely no more marks on that seat whatsoever.